Hey y'all, June is hotter than Satan's butthole in Florida, but the heat and humidity doesn't stop us from starting flowers, vegetables, and fruit from seed. If you live in Florida, here's what you should be planting in June. Southern peas love Florida's heat and are one of the easiest crops to grow this time of year. Okra thrives when temperatures climb to the 90s and can produce for months when harvested frequently. Sweet potatoes absolutely love Florida's summer weather, so if you plant your slips now, they should be ready in the fall. If you're looking for a leafy green that you can plant in Florida's heat and humidity, then you might want to try Malabar spinach. Basil is going to love the heat and the rain that we get in June, so it's definitely a good herb to start if you're looking for one of those. Another summer Florida favorite is Roselle hibiscus. The edible plant is going to thrive in these conditions. As far as flowers go, Vincas, Zinnias, and sunflowers do really well this time of year. Your marigolds will also continue to pop off if you start them from seed. It's also not too late to get peanuts started. You can also start Seminole pumpkins, loofah, and peppers, which all love the heat and humidity. This is by no means an exhaustive list of everything that you can plant in Florida in June, but it's a lot of the superstars. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you're going to be planting in June. Like and subscribe for more backyard Florida gardening tips, and happy growing, y'all. Bye.